Hi folks, Terry back from Terry's O Gauge Trains, and look what has arrived today in the mail. This is a package from Papaville O Gauge Trains. Now, this video won't be uploaded till Saturday because I want to make sure Derek is home from his truck driving job in order to see it. So it's being shot today, but again, it'll be posted on Saturday. Let's get it right into it. We'll open this box and see what Derek sent me. And right off the top, we have a Lionel AT&SF flat car. This is to that James Gang locomotive that Derek sent me the parts for to get running. So this is actually the set of cars that go with that. Now that flat car is missing the fence that normally goes around it, but that's not a problem because I have one of those in my parts that I can put on it. So we're good to go there. And then we have next the Santa Fe animated stock car with the gunslingers on both sides that move in and out as the car moves. Also cool. And finally, we have, it'll be to have been lighted, let me move this box a little bit. The baggage car for Santa Fe. So all of it is there. And guess what? He gifted me these. These were a gift. He said an early holiday gift, which I really appreciate. Thank you very much, Jerry. But wait, there's more. Let me get these out of the way. Set these on the layout. That's just the preview. Wait till you see what else is in the box. Now, if the contents of that box look familiar, it's because last week Derek featured this on one of his own Papaville videos. And it is something really special. It is something that my father had when he was a boy, and now I finally got the set. First, we have a Marx 556 New York Central tin litho caboose. Pull it back in so you can see it. Sorry about that, I flipped the camera. Okay, you can see that. Then we have the 552 Rock Island hopper, or gondola, excuse me. A very nice looking Middle States oil tank car. And finally, a New York Central oil tender. And so what is pulling it? A Commodore Vanderbilt. I'm surprised Derek didn't keep this because he really loves his Commodore Vanderbilts. Got it for him for $55. There it is. It's in great shape. On his video, he showed it does run. The E-unit works. Later on, I'll do a follow-up video and have these running on the track. It's a little dusty, but for age, you'd expect that. And it's missing the little thing that goes in the smokestack, but again, I have those. That's no problem to fit that insert. But the nice thing is it runs. It's got some play wear on it, but it does run in great shape. And in addition to the train, he sent the whole train set. I've got the power pack. It is my guess it's a 25 or 50 watt power pack. And in his video, this porcelain thing was loose. Yeah, it still is. I can fix that. These can be opened up and fixed. So we'll test that, but the cord is in great shape. And then we have track. I'm not going to get it all out. We have curves and straights, enough to make a full oval. So you have 8 straights, 8 curves, excuse me, and 2 straights. So again, a complete pre-war Marx Commodore Vanderbilt set. I am quite happy with it. Like I said, I'm going to get some of this stuff cleaned up, get these cleaned up, and probably post a second video on it running, along with those Lionel cars being pulled on the layout. And so stay tuned for part 2, and I hope you enjoy this video from Terry's O Gauge Trains. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you very much, Papaville.